If you're scrambling right now because your books aren't ready for your tax prepare, this is for you. Here are 4 signs you've outgrown DIY bookkeeping. If you recognize yourself, it doesn't mean you failed. It means your business has grown beyond DIY. You've watched YouTube tutorials, read articles online, and in your attempt to do bookkeeping, you've created duplicate transactions and couldn't reconcile your accounts at month end. At some point, continuing to troubleshoot is more expensive than delegating, and the longer errors sit in your books, the more complex and costly they become to fix. You thought it was just a matter of connecting your bank account, then QuickBooks Online's highly touted AI would take care of the rest. But it doesn't know how to split a loan payment between principal and interest, so your loan balance is wrong. It doesn't know the difference between an owner reimbursement and an owner's draw, so your net income is wrong. It doesn't know how to use projects to track profitability. When these details are wrong, your financial statements are wrong. When your financial statements are wrong, your tax return is built on inaccurate information, and your tax preparer files what you give them. After pouring so much energy into running your business, you don't have the mental bandwidth to keep up with monthly bookkeeping too. It's one more thing you procrastinate. You're going to have to work your way through a month's worth of uncategorized transactions, and you know you need to reconcile your account at month end, but you're not confident about this process. When bookkeeping becomes something you dread, it's no longer serving your business. You've grown past the startup phase of building your business, but you don't need an in-house finance department. The volume of activity has increased, and the margin for error has decreased. You need clean, reliable financials, not estimates, because you're making real business decisions based on these numbers. QuickBooks Online is a powerful tool, but it's only as accurate as the person managing it. Subscribing to QuickBooks is just the beginning. There are accounting and bookkeeping concepts that you need to understand in order to correctly use the software. A professional bookkeeper doesn't just categorize transactions. We build structure, reconcile monthly, and ensure your reports are accurate before tax season arrives. It's not just a lifeline, it's a level up. After all, your time is better spent building your business. If you want clean, accurate books before your tax filing deadline, now is the time to start, so you can move forward calm, confident, and focused on growing your business. The link to schedule consultation is below.